Hi friends! So, this is my second music video reaction. And honestly, medyo mapapahaba to because I have a lot to say. Una, I just became a treasure maker last month, so that was February. And then nahihirapan pa akong alalahanin yung names nila. Well, I knew a couple of them, pero yung iba naguguluhan pa rin ako. So bear with me if may mga mali-mali ako ma-mention na name. And another one, this is actually my third music video of Treasure that I've watched. Una is yung Jikjin, pangalawa is yung Last Night, and then ito yung pangatlo, itong Yellow. And actually, kaya ako recently lang naging fan ng Treasure. It's because I'm not a fan of like boy groups, and at the same time, ayoko nung masyadong maraming members kasi nahihirapan akong mag-memorize ng names. I'm not good with names, remembering names, and I'm not good in remembering faces. So, and then ang parang tumatak na kasi sa akin na concept ng mga boy group is yung dark, heavy choreography, and medyo parang medyo hindi naman like okay lang, pero medyo naano ako na napapagod ako manood ng gano'n. That's why then one of the factors kaya hindi ako masyadong fan ng boy group. Not until I watch Last Night music video na naisip ko, okay, so may mga boy groups pala na mellow, summery vibes yung music video like One Direction gano'n, and I really, really love Last Night. And so, I get to start liking them and then get to know them. I actually currently watching Treasure Map just so I could get to know more or better with the Treasure members. So, let's go. Ooh, Jungkook. Wait, ang lakas masyado. Fun fact, I actually started to search up or get to know Treasure because of Jungkook. Kasi napanood ko yung guesting niya sa Imogen Service, and I really, really love his voice. Usually kasi sa mga group na ini-stan ko, nadodrawn ako more on sa vocalist, main vocalist, basta more on sa vocals, doon ako nadodrawn. And when I heard his voice, sobrang unique. And that's why sabi ko, interesting. Unique voice, not the usual, because of Junkyu dun sa guesting niya sa Imogen. And so I researched about Treasure. Like I started to get to know Treasure. So it's because of Junkyu. So initially, he was my bias. Bias talaga kasi siya parang yung napapanood ko. Chungwan. Cheyok. Very summer vibes. Hindi ko pa naririnig yung chorus, pero usually kasi, I'm not singer, I'm not a professional singer at all, dancer, anything, I'm not professional, but usually, I'm very picky with music. Yung mga dark concept, yung mga heavy choreography na music videos, I tend to like them when I listen to them on repeat. Pero pag mga gantong mellow, like Last Night, yung mga, ano mo yun, yung, anong tawag doon? Yung magaan lang, yung mellow vibe, sentimental, ganyan. Pag maganda talaga yung music, unang pakinig ko pa lang gusto ko na agad. Like this one. I mean, like this kind of music, okay? Pero hindi ko pa sure sa chorus kung magugustuhan ko siya. But so far, so good. Wow. Wow, yung chorus, wow. Oh my God. Ako lang ba? Very nostalgic yung chorus niya. Wait lang, parang, actually, kasi when I heard the title, hindi ko napakinggan yung ano nito yung teaser. So, this is actually my first time na napakinggan to. And when I read or when I knew the title Yellow, syempre, ang unang pumapasok sa isip ko, yung, and it was called Yellow by Coldplay. So, this is different, of course, for sure. But, Wait lang, ang nostalgic nung Yellow, Yellow, Yellow. Okay, ayoko mag-overreact because I don't want to let you know who's my bias for now. 'Di ba initially it was Jungkook but hindi na, okay? Like when I get to know them, nag-iba yung bias ko like immediately and hindi ko papalata, kayo na bahala mong hula. I'm giving you the authority to guess who's my bias. I so love the chorus. Also, while watching Treasure Box pa lang, nag-stand out talaga sa akin in terms of visuals, Yoshi. It's because he really, for me, in my own opinion, Yoshinori really looks like Jojo, the singer one who sing "It's just a little too late, a little too long, and I can't wait." If you know that song, or ako lang to ha, he really looks like Jojo. Can we talk about how oh, it's summer! Ano ba ngayon, March? Oh, it's summer! Ang sarap nito i-on repeat while traveling during summer. That's why it's very warm vibe. Sabagay, yellow is warm, right? Yellow is in the shade of warm, right? I mean, is in a warm shade. Correct me if I'm wrong. Doyoung. I said earlier, diba, that I'm very bad with remembering names and face, but Doyoung stuck with me. It's because I'm a fan of Ahof, obviously, and a lot of people saying that Doyoung or like Joowon of Ahof looks like Doyoung, so that's why he stood out to me. I love Joowon. Is it Jungwon? Jungwon. Oh my goodness, Jungkook's vocals. Oh gosh. If Blackpink has Rose as their unique main vocalist, I would say Treasure has Jungkook. There's something about Jihoon that I really love. I don't know why. And I didn't know that Jihoon was vocalist. I thought he was a rapper. I'm not used with boy groups having yung ganito nga, yung slow na kanta, yung summery vibes, not a dark concept. I'm not used to that. So I'm very curious with the choreography when it comes to these kind of songs or these types of songs. Yoshi. Oh. So far, I see that choreography. It's good. Sino yun? Sino yun? Sino yung last part? Tapos na? Mahaba pa. High school vibes. Yellow. Okay, my thought. I'm not even kidding. Honestly, Treasure um changes my perspective, or my, what do you call this? My assumption or my expectation. I don't even know what to call this, but Treasure changed my expectation with boy groups. Kasi as I've mentioned earlier, when it comes to boy group, ang unang pumapasok sa isip ko with their songs are dark concept, heavy choreography, you know, like Big Bang, yung Jik Jin nila, Jik, di ba, ano yun, medyo dark siya. So I'm not really into, not all ha, depende naman. May mga dark concept naman that I love, but mostly I'm not really a fan, not unless kailangan ko siyang ulit-ulitin pakinggan. So Treasure is really like a breath of fresh air for me. And yeah, I'm speechless. Mm, I love it. It's very actually last night their music last night is actually nostalgic for me as well, kasi it reminds me of One Direction. So when I listened to last night, ang nostalgic niya sa music ng One Direction. But when it comes to this, it's very parang fan chant. Alam mo yung mga kantang encore ng concert? Yung ano na lang, like chill na lang, ganyan, chill vibes na lang. It's giving me that kind of aura. And at the same time, hindi ko ma-point out, but I kind of remember that same vibe ha. I'm not saying the music. It kind of reminds me of the same vibe of a specific song or music that I couldn't point out. But overall, oh, I'm really looking forward with the performance video of this one. So yeah, that's my thought for Yellow. Like, so far my favorite, hindi pa nagde-debut ang Ahok, and I would say Ahok is still my number one boy group for now. Um, and so far, I would say this is my favorite song of 2025. Yeah, I'm very excited to know more about Treasure. Yeah, yun lang. I'm bear with me again if I said things that are incorrect about the members, especially the names, kasi I'm not good with those. And wala pa atang no, isang buwan pa lang mula nung naging Treasure Maker ako. So, yeah. Bye.